Victoria Lovelace here, and welcome back to my channel. So right now we are here. We are gonna work on some Lovelace cosmetics orders. As you guys know, I have my own small makeup business called Lovelace Cosmetics, and I got some orders today, and we are gonna work on those orders and have them shipped out. So I'm gonna show you a little bit how that process goes, and just follow me like a day as a small business small makeup business owner. So here, as you can see, is very small here. My stock is very small. You can see here, this is the palettes and this is the lipsticks, and it's kind of like, and here I have everything, envelopes, business cards and stuff like that. But yeah, it's not so much. I mean, my business is still small, and yeah, so it fits just in this kitchen cabinet here, and here I work on orders. And so yeah, so I'm here outside my room here. It's kind of like snowing outside now. We just came back from a walk. So, and I got those, as you can see, big envelopes, because I actually started receiving bigger orders, which I'm very, very happy about. And before I only ship in those small envelopes, like this, but now I'm receiving orders, bigger orders, so I'm gonna need a bigger envelope. So I'm actually finally gonna work on some bigger orders on both palettes, the palettes here, and lipsticks. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, and you guys is gonna hang out with me while I'm working on orders. So let's start. So we are gonna start with the first order. I have like 4 or 5 orders. I have to go back and check. I'm using Shopify, which is also a very, very good platform for small businesses, and I think that's also helping me a lot to keep on track on all the orders. So because those orders I got, I had a sale before, after Christmas sale, but those orders I actually got after Christmas sale, and I'm happy, as I was saying, is some big orders. So and I know all of them, including palettes. So this is the palette. So I'm gonna take out the palettes right now. I'm just gonna check the orders to make sure that all the orders, so make sure that I have everything correct with the orders. And I also gonna need to check if with customers that has shows shipping with tracking or without tracking, because usually I write the ones they ship without tracking, I usually handwrite the address. I still like doing that. I really love handwriting, and I know a lot of you guys, like customers, have been happy with handwritten envelopes, and I think I kind of like that. So, but for those with tracking, unfortunately I can't handwrite them, because they need to have like that what is it called, the label, like the shipping label. So it needs to have that. So yeah, so I'm gonna go and check right now and see what I have, what type of orders I have, and where they're gonna go, and how many of them is gonna be with tracking or without tracking. So the first order I have is 2 lipsticks, which is the Ada and Magical Princess. So I'm gonna take those here. So this is the Magical Vampire Princess, and we also have Ada, which is this one. So before I pack them, I'm gonna just make sure that everything is right. So I always open the package and see that everything looks fine with the lipstick, so there's no damage or anything that happened in the shipping process or anything like that. So what I can see here after opening both lipsticks looks good. I don't see any damage or anything like that on them, so they are ready to go. So I'm gonna put them back in their packages, and they are ready. And this one too is gonna go in its package, and they're also ready to go. So with that, we are gonna see, and this one I know was ordered without tracking, so that means I can handwrite the address on the envelope, which I kind of like. So with this one, we're gonna use a smaller envelope because it's just 2 lipsticks. So yeah, so here is the envelope, and we are gonna write the address, and we are gonna put the address sticker also on the envelope. So I have some nice one here. So this is just gonna be like the address sticker. So that's gonna go first on the envelope. So I'm gonna put it here in the corner. So yeah, it looks like this. And now it's time to write the address. And usually before I write the address, I'm gonna actually put I usually put my business cards also that goes with each order. So it's like this one, and I'm gonna put that one before also in the envelope. So now we are gonna write the address, and I'm gonna get a silver pen. I always write them in silver. Yeah. So I'm gonna write the address here. So yeah, because it looks so nice with black with the silver. So yeah. So there, the address is there. So now it's just time to put those in the envelope, and then they are ready to go. So there, I'm gonna close this, and they're ready to be dropped off, and like that. So there, one order is ready. So I'm gonna mark the order as shipped right now, and this one was without a tracking number, so I'm just gonna mark it as fulfilled. So the next order is actually kind of big order, of course, which I'm very happy about. So that one, I'm gonna look. This one, I know for sure I'm gonna need a bigger envelope though. So, and I know this one has tracking, so which need I'm gonna have to print out the label for this one. So what I can see on this one is 1 palette and it's 3 lipsticks. So I'm gonna take out all of them, and as I did with all the order, just make sure everything is not damaged to them or anything like that. So here is the palette. So I'm gonna make sure that everything is like yeah, so it's no damage or that the eyeshadows are not cracked or anything. So I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna see here, just make sure that everything is right. And what I can see, there is no damage, and it's not broken or anything like that. It looks good. So this one should be ready. This one is approved and is ready to be shipped out. So yeah, this one is gonna go, and then I'm gonna also check the lipsticks and just make sure, as I did with all the order, same thing, make sure that they are no damage or anything like that. So I check those 3 lipsticks too, and this is also the last of the shade Raven. Raven is the black one, and that one has so good. So it actually sold out now, so this is the last one I'm shipping out. So I'm waiting for the new batch with Raven, so hopefully it's gonna arrive soon, I hope. So yeah, as I say, this one it's gonna be shipped with tracking. So I'm gonna need to print the shipping label for this one, and the palette I'm also gonna wrap in bubble wrap to protect the palette, because we don't want to be damaged. So I used to wrap it in a lot of bubble wrap so it doesn't get damaged in the shipping. And I don't think I have anybody really complain about that is damaged. I guess it's doing its job. So now you can even see it's the palette in here, but now it's all wrapped in the bubble wrap, so it doesn't get damaged in the transit. So I'm gonna put it here. There, and together with the lipsticks. And then the order will be complete. I just need to print the shipping label and weight it, of course. So this package is ready and sealed, and we are gonna weight it and see how much it weighs. So yeah, so now I know how much it weighs, so I can pay for the shipping label, so I can get the right amount. So this one is ready. So all orders for today are done, and I'm gonna put them. So we're gonna leave to the post office and drop them off there, and then they are ready to go to the customers. And I really hope that they're gonna get that my customer is gonna be happy with my products, because I mean, that's as just a small business owner, that's what you kind of live for with your business. So I'm gonna put them in this, and we are gonna leave. So there, I'm gonna clean up the mess after the orders now. So I guess that's it for today's little vlog. And if you like this one, I will be happy if you can give it a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, you should hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my new videos. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye!